On today's episode of the Cryptoverse. I'm short on time today, so I'm going to stick to the market roundup and a chart reading episode for you today. So let's get into it with coinmarketcap.com. We had the biggest winner of the day. It's NEO yet again, up 28.74% on the day, putting NEO in 8th place by market cap now at $1.6 billion market cap. If you want to buy a NEO token, you're looking at $33.46. Moving on from there, we have Lisk as the biggest loser in the top 20. It's down 0.8%. $6.12 is the coin price. $690 million is the coin cap. And 14th place is where Lisk ranks right now. The honorable mention today goes to Zcash, which is in 15th place. It's up 23.36% today to $283.52. Moving on from there, we have a Crazy Coin Award going to Walton. It's not that crazy, it's only up 30.94%. It's down here in 68th place. A Walton token is now $3.32 and an $82 million market cap. Now, speaking of prices, let's now go over to Coinigy to have a look at what all of the major coins are doing. Bitcoin Cash remains in a range here, in between $374 at the bottom and around about $488 at the top. At the moment, Bitcoin Cash is trading below the 50-day moving average, which is around about $475. So still sideways for Bitcoin Cash. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's doing some interesting things today. We are up back again above $4,000. Right now on Bitfinex, we are looking at $4,087.70. Broken that key 4,000 level. Bitcoin's price is now above the two moving averages once again. You see here we're back out of no man's land and sat above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. And you can see my previous trades still overlaid here. Still a long way from my profit targets, but Bitcoin has broken out the $4,000 mark pretty well there. Now, in order for this to move up, you see back here on the 19th and the 18th of September, that is, those two candles got to a high of $4,114. Today's high is $1 higher than that, so it's already broken the high of those two candles. What I was getting at there is that it's all very well to revisit these sort of levels, but we need to make sure we break that previous high to make sure it's going to continue going up. The next stop would be 4,226, which is the 23% Fibonacci retracement line, and then we'll be good to go. Moving on to Dash. Dash is also sitting at a key level here. You see this 23% Fibonacci line is around $343, and the last 4 or 5 candles are sitting right on there. So that seems to be where Dash wants to sit on the fence for the time being. Right now on Bitfinex, it's trading at $346. I'm going to skip EOS. That's probably not of major interest to most of you. So I'll move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is making another attempt at $300. It did pop above it today, high being $304. And if we scroll to the left here, we see that's the 61% Fibonacci retracement line. The last time it made an attempt at that was 2 days ago, and then the last time it actually peeped above that was again on the 18th and the 19th of September. We're only just above the 50-day moving average here. However, like I was just saying with that Fibonacci level at the 61% level, the price for that is $296. So this zone is some serious resistance. We've got $296 and $300 being the key points of resistance. And even though it had a peep above that today, it's so far not been able to maintain it. We're right here at $299 for Ethereum right at this moment in time. Let's have a quick look at LiteCoin. LiteCoin is in no man's land right now, sitting between the two moving averages, and it's bumping right up against the 50-day moving average right now. The last thing that LiteCoin broke was the $50 mark, which I can demarcate here with a horizontal white line if I just pop it right there. So it's been above that for a couple of days now. There was sort of a bearish signal yesterday with this doji candle, and you can see this medium-term trend line that I had, which was super reliable for a long time. If I zoom right out, this was my medium-term trend line that was absolutely solid until the major China crash, and then it's sat below that ever since. Now, you know, like support tends as a resistance and vice versa. So that which was an ascending trend line, the price bouncing off it as support, it now might turn into resistance on the other side. So when this price of today, which is the 27th of September, the the trend line is about $54.40, which is round about where the price is trading right now. So the last time it was anywhere near that was on the 18th and 19th of the month. Funny that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and LiteCoin all looking the same on those 2 days, and similar behavior since then. And let's take a final look at, say, let's have a look at Monero, because Monero had an interesting run up recently, right up here to the $155 mark. It's gone back below 100 and is stuck there since then. It's made several attempts to break it, including today when we hit $101.44 and not been able to break above that or hold it. Positive view for Monero though is that it's above the 50-day moving average. So in general, even though the moving average is moving to the sideways position, it's above them. So I will be looking for a break above $100 again for Monero. So like I said, I'm short on time today, so I'm going to leave it there. Thanks very much for joining me today, guys. If you like this episode, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new around here, get subscribed. And if you would like access to my very best material, such as my structured online courses, where you can learn things like how to make and save money with Bitcoin, check out cryptoversity.com. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode of the Cryptoverse. So until then, it's me, Chris Coney, saying bye for now.